105.
How?
All triangles equal 180 degrees.
All the angles of a triangle are equal to 180. Okay, do you know how it is 180? Why it is 180?
No.
Okay, so I need you to have a paper. Do you have any paper? Can you cut
Yeah.
it in the form of triangle?
Oh, what'd you say?
Do you have a paper with you? Can you cut it in
Yeah.
the shape of a triangle? Let me just show you. Why
Yeah.
is it 180? Yeah,
I'll
just get it.
draw
Try it.
triangles.
Just try to cut it in the form of a triangle.
Yeah, yeah. I
Hold
did.
your
I did.
camera a bit downward. I need to see your face.
Sorry, the surface just keeps slipping.
It's okay.
Uh, I cut down. Oh wait. Do you want me to put the angles?
I need to see. How did you cut it?
Oh, I didn't cut it. I just drew the triangle.
No, you need to cut it out of that. Cut it out.
Uh, okay. One second.
Okay.
Uh, yeah. Sorry. The I just removed the object of the surface. Just give me a minute.
It's okay.
I'll
It's
just
okay.
draw the
Take your.
triangle.
It's okay.
Okay, I cut down my triangle.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put the dots in the same way you have to cut. Okay. See. I'm putting the dot where you need to make the cuts, and this way you will get three parts out of it. These should be the straight lines, okay? So you will have three
Uh,
parts. One, two, three.
yeah, sure. One second. Okay, I cut it to almost exactly three equal parts.
Okay. Now you keep them in a ways, okay? They should be on a line. Like the one part, the this angle side 45 should be here, and then the other side should be here, 30 like this. And the other one should be kept here. This way you need to adjust them all on a straight line.
Okay. Just give me a minute.
Mhm.
Yeah, I angled it on the straight line.
Yeah, now you can see all of the angles. When you put them together, they made an angle of 180, right? So
Yeah.
from here, we came across this property that all the angles of a triangle are equal to 180. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
So that's it. This way you can remember it. Mm, let me just show you something. Have you done this type of question? Is r equal to 4 a solution?
Wait. Is what equal to what?
This is r equals to 4, a solution to inequality below. R is greater than 9. Is this possible? Do you know what
Yeah.
is solution? When can I say that something is a solution of an equality or an equation?
No.
Okay, let me just check. Can you just check if x equals to 2 is a solution of x plus 2 equals to 4? Do you
Yeah,
know? Yeah. Can you just tell me, is it or not?
it is.
How?
Because if x is 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, that means.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
satisfies it, right? Okay. So the
Yeah.
same goes for here. Is r equal to 4 a solution to inequality? Now we don't have an equation, we have inequality below. It says r is greater than 9, which means you need to take all the values of r which are greater than 9. Right? If all the values are greater than 9, that means you can't take r equals to 4, right?
Yeah.
So in that way, this is not the solution. This is not the solution.
Okay.
Okay? So let me just give you a question so that you can check. I'm gonna give you something you need to check which of that applies.
What does that sign mean? For that n is greater or equal to
Which
negative
means
4?
you need to take the values of n starting from n is greater than or equal to, which means n equals to minus 2 is also okay, and more than that is also okay.
Oh, okay.
You can take an equals to minus 2 and more than that you can take. In case of only greater than means that thing you can't, because in this case it was the case that you can't take r equals to 9. You can take more than that. But here you can take equal to minus 2 as well. Okay? So the question says which of the following are equations to inequality below. You need to check which one of these satisfy these two conditions or one of them.
None of them.
How?
Because look, negative 2 is greater than both negative 11 and negative 5.
Yeah,
And negative 11 and negative 5 are not equal to negative 2, so none of them applies.
okay, check these. So,
Uh, n equals negative 1?
how?
No, you wrote it down.
I said how.
What do you mean by how?
How did you decide that this is the solution?
Because it's greater than negative 2 and yeah, it's greater than negative 2.
Correct.
So,
Good. Now let's see the solutions of some of them. If you need to solve for b and it is like this, how do you think you would do it? Okay. Before this, can you just solve this?
it would be 18.
X is equals to 18. That's
18.
the solution. Yeah. On the same line, try to do this.
It would be 8
B,
or
B
b
less than
equals
equal
8 or
to.
more.
It would be less than or equal to 8, which means you can take values either equal to 8 or all of them equal less than 8. So you can
Okay.
take 7, 6, 4, 5, all of them less than 8. And